Good morning, everyone. It's Wednesday, October the 3rd, and looks like everybody has replied to the introduction thread. I've made the discussion facilitator assignments for all of you, and a couple of you, I think 3 of you, have already posted on the second discussion thread on Unit 1. So that's great news. Keep it coming. Also, Unit 2 has opened today, and that will be open for 1 week until next Tuesday at midnight. And Shelby has made an excellent recommendation that if you could get your initial posts in by Friday midnight, that would allow myself and the other students in your class to be able to reply to individual posts. I think that's a great idea. You will also have a journal entry due on the 9th, next Tuesday by midnight. And I will the journal prompt here in the next 24 hours. But welcome to the class. It's really good to see everybody participating, and look forward to our continuing conversations on D2L. Bye now.